I want to say something about the credibility of the Caribbean Premier T20 Cricket League this evening. Now, in season number 8, this situation where for the past 4 consecutive seasons, Trinidad have been hosting the semi-finals and the final of the tournament. This year, because of the COVID-19, they're hosting the entire tournament. Overall, Trinidad is set to host its 5th of the 8 finals. Now consider that the Trinbago Knight Riders have the strongest team with obviously the best crop of T20 players in the region and are then handed this additional advantage of hosting the deciding games. That speaks to blatant unfairness and an advantage for the team that least needs the help. And what we don't want in a regional championship tournament like this is for one team to be enjoying so much advantage that we know who's going to win the title before a ball is bowled. Yes, yes. And conversely, the other teams start the season knowing that the odds are stacked against them and the playing field is not level. This is not good for the integrity and credibility of the overall CPL product. If the spectacle of the CPL, as it was introduced to the world, is going to continue to evolve into being this Trinidad tournament, soon and very soon, it's going to lose its appeal, lose its relevance, and lose the support of the fans. Yes, yes. So let's give Jamaica the final.